Okay, let's do a quick check on Midcap IT. The two numbers that came out today, one is Mphasis, and that's up 6%, and on the way down is Cyient under pressure. Now for Mphasis, Q1 numbers were very, very muted. There is nothing to write home. In fact, a miss on the top line as the revenues declined by 0.1%. So flat revenues. But what the street liked are the deal wins. Deal wins were strong. And not just that, even after strong deal wins, the pipeline continues to grow for the company, which means they've managed to replenish the pipeline, and the pipeline is up 17%. And it's also large deal wins. The company won 3 large deal wins, of which one of them is $100 million. And also now companies are able to, categorize AI or Gen AI related impacts. So Mphasis said 1/3 of their pipeline is Gen AI related. Remember, even TCS talks about their AI pipeline, not just Gen AI, but the AI pipeline, and now you've got Mphasis talking about it. The company said they will deliver industry growth above industry growth average in FY25. They're maintaining their margin guidance at 14.6 to 16%. They're confident that they will at least maintain, if not expand margins from current levels of 15%. And their diversification strategy into different geographies, going beyond BFS, going beyond the top clients, is bearing fruit. On the other hand, Cyient is under severe pressure, and it's still down close to about 5 to 6%. Big decline in the company's revenues. The key segment we track has seen a revenue fall of 5%. The company's lowered its full year guidance. Now they're saying this DET segment, which is the main core business, is going to be flat revenue growth in FY25. And that also analysts are skeptical, because they're saying if the company has to even achieve flat revenue growth this year in FY25, they will have to do a 3% revenue growth in Q2, Q3, Q4, which is aggressive, or it appears to be, a tall task for the company. The only thing which works for Cyient's favor, according to brokerages, is the valuation. So according to Nuvama, cheap valuations limit the downside, and even Kotak had a buy call just purely on account of valuation. So the downside is protected, but clearly there is no growth coming in for Cyient.
Okay, that's a view on some of the mid-cap IT earnings that we've seen. Prakash,